Hi, my name is Monique Howard, and welcome to PM Sidekick, a dedicated project assistant transforming discussions into project artifacts. Project managers are tasked with keeping projects within scope, on track, and on budget. They use tools like scope statements and RAID logs to communicate with stakeholders and achieve project success. But they also spend a lot of time capturing vital information through project meetings, only to spend even more time trying to translate those notes into actionable items. Studies show that PMs spend up to 25% of their week just processing meeting outcomes. This manual process is time consuming, not to mention error prone. Important risks go overlooked, key decisions go undocumented, and context is lost. Project managers juggle on average 4 to 6 meetings daily. They are forced to choose between thorough documentation or actual project execution. And this is where PM Sidekick comes in, an AI powered meeting analyzer that transforms project discussions into actionable artifacts. Project managers simply need to upload their meeting recordings and transcripts, and within minutes, they will receive a comprehensive RAID log with owners, due dates, solutions, and mitigated action. PM Sidekick uses the AutoGen framework to break up the tasks needed to bring a meeting transcript or recording from its current or its original state into project artifacts. So let's talk about how that happens. First, the file is uploaded, and information that the user has placed into the app, which includes the project title and description, is passed to the agent orchestrator. The orchestrator first passes the file on for processing. So if necessary, it will go to the file converter, which converts audio to text as well as translates from non-English to English. Then that file is sent for cleaning. So things like filler words as well as timestamps are removed. Then the file is sent for chunking. To improve the throughput of larger files, we chunk it right now into chunks or packages of 1,000 words. So once that's done, then the files are then sent to the RAID analyzer, there are a couple of things that happens there. We give the file analyzer the ability to determine how many agent it needs to process all of the chunks. Right now, we are limiting the word size, or the number of words within a file, to 10,000 words. And those are divided or can be divided between 3 to 4 agents. So the analyzer will assign the chunks to the agents who will then process them as well as preserve the context between each of the files. Once that processing is done, the information is then sent for RAID classification and then finally for confidence scoring. This information is sent back to the agent orchestrator, who then sends it to the data capture agent as well as the report generator agent. Data capture agent takes all of the chunks, bring them back together, look for duplicates and merge those together, and then pass that on to the reporter for reporting or analyzing, generating a report. The information is then put into a CSV file as well as other file types of JSON files, and then that information is fed out to the app and